Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this software, how we can manage the Nidhi Limited companies. So just have a look. So from the master setup in the company, so here I have created some companies. So we can create the multiple companies. So if I select Saraswati Nidhi Limited, so here all the details of the company we can fill up. So now the company's capital, that is the share capital. So I will just fill up from here. So let's say company has 50,000 share capital. Now I will just update. So after that, let's create from the customer, or before creating customer, we have to create one group. So master setup branch hierarchy. From here I will create some branches. So let's say under global, we are creating in India. So let's say India. So under India, let's say Pune group. So I will just save this. Now let's go to the customer and create. So this is the customer entry form. So let's create one director of the company. So let's say director, and the group is mandatory. So we need to select the group from here. And now just you can save. So after that, let's create one member. So this is the member of the company. So let's say member 1. So I will just save. So after that, let's search that F-1, that is the director of the company. So from the star from the star icon, let's go to the share allotment. So here now there is zero balance. So the company wants to issue some shares to the director. So let's say 5,000. So share value is 10 and the market value is also 10. So let's fill up all the details. Shares 5,000 and there is one share certificate. So narration we can write down, transfer to the director. Now by cash or bank, so I will select cash and as on this date save. So here you can see the director has now balance of 5,000 shares. So now let's go to the member F-2. So this member, go to the star icon and share allotment. So this member has the zero balance. Now the director can transfer. So let's select the transfer share certificate and here I will search the director how much balance he has. So here you can see 5,000 shares he has. So let's say 1,000 shares he want to transfer. So now the market value I will take 15. So the 5,000 is the premium. So this is nothing but the profit of the company. So from here, let's complete the form. So certificate number and transfer to the member. So now I will select cash and save. So here now I will just refresh. So you can see 1,000 is now the balance of member 1. So member 1 has 1,000 shares in his hands. So this type the share allotment part we can manage in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.